All right. I am going to show you how to upload or attach something to your Google Classroom assignments. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to go down to writing to your writing notebooks. So in your Google Classroom classwork tab, go down to writing notebooks. And you are going to click on your name. So I don't think I have an example in here. My name, like a student example. So McKinley, I'm going to click on yours to show you. So you find your name. And then you're going to go, it should pop up to your writer's notebook. And what you'll do is you will scroll over here on the left-hand side. And you're going to click on one of these tabs. And then we're going to click on today's date. So, or I'm sorry, you're going to click on the blue tab up here. And it will show you, you can type in here. So today is September 8th, 2020. And then what you'll do to add your, sorry, let me click some of those off. To add files, you'll go to Insert, Image, and you could do a couple things here. I'm on my school laptop, so my choices are a little different. Sorry, Harrison's in the background. I'm going to actually, you could do is, I think it might say upload from computer. It might say recent, but I am going to go to my drive because I know my picture is there. So I'm opening up my drive, and I uploaded it. I uploaded the wrong, I uploaded it to my school drive. Let me see if I can switch it real quick. Sorry, there's some, okay. Yep, I can. All right. Technical difficulties there. So you're going to go to that same page. I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and again, it could be I forget on the Chromebook, but it could be the same choices. I'm actually going to go to Drive, and I am going to go to Recent. And most likely, if you took the picture with your Chromebook, and you kind of have to play around with it, it will be the first image that is there. And this is sideways. This is just to show you. So when you're taking your picture, you can kind of play around with it. If it's easier to take a picture with mom or dad's phone, or if you have a tablet, it's kind of the same process. You can always email it to yourself, your school email. Mom and dad can help you with this. Or you can, if you have Google Classroom on the tablet or like the iPad, then I think you can pull the image as well into your document here. So I'm going to resize this. Again, sorry, it's sideways. You could even rotate. I think you go to, to remember here. Rotate. So it's under arrange, or arrange. So I'm going to go clockwise. I'm going to rotate it again. And I'm going to rotate it again. You can play around with it. So there it's upright. And then you can kind of size it down. This way, if you kind of get a clear image, so you can kind of read what you've written. If you have questions with this, please let me know. So that's how you would upload an image to like your writing document. I'm going to actually delete that out of there because it's not your writing, McKinley. So now I'm going to go back to Google Classroom. Harrison. I'm going to go back to Google Classroom, and I am going to go to, let's see, okay, I don't have another assignment in here. Let's just practice with iExcel Diagnostic right now. So, I'm going to click on it here, the link or whatever the assignment is, and it takes me there. I think it's because, is it because it's, no, go to view. I'm sorry. Let me go back to that. Go to view assignment right down here. All right. Now, this is where you, in any of your assignments, you can attach work to it. So you go to the plus sign where it says add or create. And here is where you have some choices. So the first thing you could do is do a file upload. Now, it automatically goes to your Google Drive for this. So this is where you would, again, take a picture of your, like, for example, if it's a math assignment. I'm not with you to grade your math pages. If mom or dad feel comfortable grading them, then they can always let me know how you did. But since I'm not there with you, it's hard for me to see how you're doing unless you send me a clear image or do the work online on Pearson. Then I can really see your work. But if you have your workbook at home and you want to do it that way, that is totally 100% okay. So you would get an image and you would upload it to your Google Drive. And there's certain ways you can do that. If you're on your mom or dad's phone, again, they could email you an image and then you can save the image into your file. Or you can, I think you can search from your Chromebook. And you can also take a picture on your Chromebook. So you would just launch the camera and then it will save automatically to your drive. So since I don't have an image in here, I'm actually going to, you know what, I'm going to switch, I don't know if it'll let me do that since no, it won't. Okay, I'm going to switch back to that account. And, apologize. I don't have the math book with me, but I'll just, let's see. I'm going to go to view assignment, add or create, file, and since I don't actually, there's a picture of Harrison. All right, we'll just click this one. The picture of Harrison when he was a baby. It should have uploaded. Let's try that again. Okay, so you click on it and then you click insert. And then it will send a picture to me. So if you see there, it will pop up and it will say turn it in. When you're ready to submit all of your files for this assignment, remember to turn it in. This is where we need to make sure that we are doing this step with Google Classroom. You're doing great logging into the Google Meets with me, but make sure that you are turning in your assignment. So, so then let's say you want to do something else. Let's say Mrs. Higgins says, write your answers in a Google Doc. So create a Google Doc. And you can say number 1 was, I'm just going to make something up, 7 plus, oops, I got to find the plus sign. 7 plus 8 equals 15. And let's say it needs an explanation like our lesson today. It's a near double fact to 7 plus 7 equals 14. And then 2, let's say the answer was 21. If you want to do that, that's totally fine. So then you would go, once you have all your answers in here, you would click turn in. And then go back to turn in here. And you're turning in an image and your answers to me. The image in this case would be your math workbook page, a clear picture of that. Okay? And then you turn it in. And then if you mess up, you can always hit unsubmit, and then you can keep working on it. Now, then when you go back to your class page, classwork, I turned this in, so it won't show for me to do it because I turned it in. But remember, if I'm not ready to turn it in, hit unsubmit, unsubmit, and then I can delete my work. Unsubmit, unsubmit. Okay. Well, it says there's an error, so I'm not sure what's going on there. So I'll have to play around with that. But that's how you would unsubmit your work. And then also deleting those images. If it's easier for now for mom or dad to email me an image of your work, that's okay. But I really want you to try to practice taking a picture with your Chromebook and then uploading it to your assignments on Google Classroom. All right. I will see you guys later.